Yeah, so I'm back at it with another video. As you can see from the title, pretty self-explanatory. So I ordered this little pack on eBay. It was like 10 bucks. Type in LED interior. Comes with a whole bunch. I used a few already, but for this one, for the dome light, you could use either this type right here or this one, but I like personally using this one. So let's get to it. I must just be using this. Is all you need, or like a flathead or little. It's just some little tool like this. So it's held by a whole bunch of clips. So yeah, you just have to do it like that. Then once you get the back, that should be it. Oh, you're gonna take the top off, but yeah. Then just pull it right here, and it comes out that quick. Put that down. There's our little ugly yellow light bulb. Pretty simple. Just get it, pull it, and we get our LED one. And you put it in here. If it doesn't turn on the first time, that means you have to flip it. Let me see, show y'all real quick. Oh, wrong hole. So see, when you turn on, it don't work. That just means you gotta flip it. And once you flip it, and put it back in, boom, there you go. And now you just get this little plastic. It's just held by clips. And that's it. There you go. You got yourself whatever color light you want on your dome light. Looks way better than that stock ugly yellow. So should be the same for all 2010 and up Camaros. For the 6th gen, I'm pretty sure it should be the same, but I'm not sure. I've never been in one. But that's it, y'all. Remember, like the video if you liked it. That's it. Just use the little thing. So now I'm gonna put my license plate one, the little blue ones right there, because I don't like that yellow. But that's it, y'all. Deuces.